Hello and welcome to this short how-to video from Capture Education on how to add parents to your account. The first thing that you're going to do is select the child that you want to add the parent to. Sometimes a parent could have actually created the child and requested a link from you. You will see these in pending links. If you click on the pending link, you can then review the child's name, the parent information, and if the child doesn't already exist in your system, you can click on Create a New Member. This will then create that child in your system. All you'll have to do is check the information is correct and then add which class that child will be attending. Once you've completed this, select the date that they joined and click Add Child. Now that child will be added to your system, but also you will see that that parent has now been connected to that child. The only additional thing that you'll need to do for this child is to add their key person. This is very simple to do. Simply go to the key persons, select the key person for that child and click Save Child. If you want to add another parent to the child, it's very simple to do so. You go down to Add Parent and enter the email address. When a parent doesn't exist in the Capture system, you're asked to add some basic information, so their title, first name, surname, and their email address. You can also add a mobile phone number if you want, but this isn't a requirement. Once parent is added, you will see the parent will link in the system. At this point, it's worth noting that if the parent already existed in the system, then they wouldn't appear immediately, and we will show you that in a moment. So this is what the parent sees. They get an email which will say welcome to Capture. It will tell them who's inviting them, so in this case our demo site Little Caterpillars 2, and why they're there, which is that the family member Tabitha Campbell. And you see here that it gives them an option to create my account. They need to click on Create My Account for them to be able to log into the system. This then shows them the information that you've already provided, so their title, first name, surname, and they can edit all of this information. But you'll notice that there is also a password field for them. So here they create their own password, add this in, and then click Save. And once they've done that, they're then able to log into the system using their own email and password. Now, as I mentioned before, if it's their second child, it works slightly differently. So here we're going to use Toby and add that same parent into the system. So again, I'm going to add a parent by entering in their email address. And now I get a message that says that this person already exists in the system and do I want to add them as a parent for Toby. So I'm going to click Yes. But now what you'll notice is that they're actually not listed in the parents. It says no parents found. And this is because there's a different email that the parent now has to click on. This is the email that the parent will receive. And you see here, instead of creating an account, it's got an option to confirm. So if they click on confirm, that will then take them to the system where they have to log in. And it will say that in this case, that doesn't match with any of their existing children and they've got an option to create. See here it says Add Toby Campbell. We'll look at the information. If the information is correct, we can say OK. And then we can create Toby. For more help and support, visit capture-education.co.uk.